That's a lot of healing for Maldamba. I'm weak, what the... No, no. You're an Eevee, that's a... There's a difference between flank and damage. Anyway.
Anybody want to be my friend?
No. Here's the other boys.
Legs.
New card. Wicked don't rest.
Legs.
Oh yeah, I got the epic emote for this a while ago, I remember that.
Victor.
Khaki. Oh, I had Navy. Oh.
Select your champion. Maldamba.
This seems pretty balanced. I'm sure a second ago to it.
Customize your champion.
So I thought that counts.
The battle is about to begin.
I'd rather level. There's Fernando, if he was getting grey hair. He said, I will not die. Not yet, amigo. Yes. Ruckus fights are screen.
Pray to your gods.
He's bringing out the big
Spirits
fun.
cannot.
This is my lord art. It's literally nothing but healing.
Not my problem. Okay.
Prepare for battle. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
The battle has begun. Attack!
Enjoy
Attack ability!
So there's a Mave, Dragos, and Monkey. I forgot to slide away. Help! That was the worst Mave I've ever seen. Just in 5 seconds, done. Whoa! I don't like that. Oh, you wasted your shots, eh? That's it. That's a dead version. Whoa! That's stuff like a long time. Smash! Nope, not today, nope. Whoa! Oh, Tyra, what happened? What happened, Tyra? What happened? I could have got some help from Tyra here. That was that. So, we got the point, now we just need to go up to... Oh, jeez. And that's good. Oh, dang. She's starting to help! I could have gotten him, but I just didn't hit on my shots. Well, that's just so horrible, BK, if it don't land all the hits and just detonate afterwards. Detonating takes so much time. Honestly, I'm tired. Ouch. I don't like the wall builder. Wall builder is so open to me, I don't like it.
Sandstorm. I must wait.
I'm out.
That's good.
Do I have to fear him? Not quite sure. Alive. Oh! 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 Dude. Oh, really? Oh, what a waste.
Well done. I have such sights to show you.
Point spawning in 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yes. Enjoy yourself. Fate's blessing.
Oh, oh, I can't shift. Who hurt me? Did I have to be walking forward? Perhaps.
Forgive me.
Did I scare him? I don't know. I didn't land. Oh.
Ultimate is down.
Need healing.
Need healing? Yeah, I know. I'm big.
You've done well.
Oh, help.
Sustain. Thanks.
Nah, my audio cut out completely. It'll come back. Right? Oh! I can't. There's nothing I can do to bring it back until next round. Oh boy. Can't tell if it's lag or what's happening. left my mark. I can't hear any of the dialect. Need healing, curses, meh. Okay. What move by the time I arrive at Whitley. Oh my! Oh! Help! That was a terrifying encounter. Nim reflexes saved me. I don't have them all the time, but I have them when I truly need them. And I can't hear crap, so I'm just gonna keep talking. I missed again. Just kidding. What's Tyra doing way over there? Oh my lord! I saw it last second. I tried spamming shift, but no, not today. You only do that once. So just throw it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Don't even aim for. No noise. This is so annoying. Nope. Bye. I don't need you anymore. Oh dear lord. I have to keep track of like 10,000 things. Here. Okay. Did I just... Oh my, that was impressive. I like it. Oh, my noises. It might be back. Fix them. I heard it. Fix it. I can't fix it, darn it. Nah. I'd rather not. Okay, that bum king is in trouble. No, no thanks. It's on me! Oh god. I don't know what that is all about, but I just want to flank him. Bad mate. No more mate. Oh, I pressed shift. It cancels my shift just because it's like, thought I died, I guess. Thinking game, oh, poor Grover. He could only live so long. Help him. Help the middle. Oh my lord. Oh. Oh, jeez. I don't get audio cues. Whoa. Oh, jeez, I'm not getting mixed in this mess. Help. Help. I thought we were pushing it, that's a shame. We'll win it next time. Oh, seriously? With no audio, all I hear is absolutely nothing. I gotta help that barrack before they get themselves in a situation they can't get out of. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, no audio cues again. No, 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 no. Whoa, 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 whoa. I really don't like the Dragos. I forget that there's a Dragos every time. It's because I can't hear his jetpack. Make my think disappear. No, what? That crap. Oh, I'm better. I swear. Ouch. No thanks. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. Oh, whoa. I swear if somebody walks up here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Again, no audio. I have to quit Paladins. Zero audio. Have to be bow spin, have to be bow spin, have to be bow spin. Ooh. I cannot have Barrett go down. Oh my lord, I'm out. Just need a heal. If I heal people, I get charged. I missed! Gosh darn! Oh my lord. Bomb King! I want to help you, but you're not helping me help you. Oh my. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I can't escape that. Grover's gonna have to take over. No sound. Oh, good game. Good game. I have to help the damages. Oh, I'm out. I don't know where they are, how close they are to me, but I don't like it. Whoa. Just hang on. Yes! I can't hear the spam. Maybe if I like pull, push on something. That's somebody else. No, I can't do a single thing. Those are some nice bombs. I want a title. Oh wow, this is a good bonking. Look at this. All tied up, can't escape. Oh man, that's what I was fighting. Ah yes, I remember that. Did my audio literally just come back to this? Very good, very good.